Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi, my name is Gautam Patil and I am from Zeal Polytechnic, and today's topic is any Trojan attack, identify Trojan attack. Our group members are Naush Bade, Nikhil Japtap and Gautam Patil. What is a Trojan? A Trojan horse or a Trojan is a type of a malicious code or a software that looks legitimate but can take control of your computer. A Trojan is designed to damage, dispute, steal, or in general inflict some other harmful actions on your data or network. A Trojan attacks like a bona fide applications or a file to trick you. It seeks to deceive you into a loading and executing the malware on your device. Once installed, a Trojan can perform the action it was designed for. A Trojan is sometimes called a Trojan virus or a Trojan horse virus, but that is many more. Viruses can execute and replicate themselves. The user can execute Trojans. Even so, Trojan can malware and Trojan virus are often used interchangeably. Users are typically tricked by some from social engineering into loading and executing Trojans on their systems. Once activated, Trojans can enable cyber criminals to spy on you, steal your sensitive data, and gain backdoor access to your system. These actions can include deleting data, blocking data, modifying data, copying data, and disputing the performance of computers or computer networks. How Trojan can impact you? Trojans are classified according to the types of actions that they can perform on your computers. First, backdoor. A backdoor Trojan gives malicious user remote control over the infected computers. They enable the author to do anything they wish on the infected computers, including sending, receiving, launching, and deleting files, displaying data, and rebooting the computers. Exploit. Exploits are programs that contain data or code that takes advantages of vulnerability within application software that's running on your computer. Rootkit. Rootkits are designed to conceal certain objects or activities in your system. Often their main purpose is to prevent malicious programs being detected in order to extend the period in which programs can run on infected computers. Trojan bunkers. Trojan bunkers programs are designed to steal your account data for online banking systems, e-payment systems, and credit or debit cards. Trojan DDoS. These programs conduct DOS, denial of services, attack against the target web address by sending multiple requests from your computers and several other infected computers. The attack can overwhelm the target address, leading to a denial of services. How does Trojan attacks or spread? A Trojan is designed to damage, dispute, steal, or in general inflict some other harmful actions in your data or network. A Trojan acts like a bona fide applications or a file to trick you. It seems to deceive you into loading, executing the malware on your devices. Viruses can be execute and replicate themselves. Unlike viruses and worms, Trojans do not reproduce by infecting other files, nor do they self-replicate. Trojans must spread through user interaction, such as opening an email attachment or downloading and running a file from the internet. Trojans may allow an attacker to access the user personal profile, such as banking information, password, or personal identity. It can also delete user files or infect other devices connected to the network. Thank you.